All right, now that we know what unions and intersections are with sets, we're going to be given a problem where we have a bunch of information, but we're going to need to put it all together to find out what is actually contained in set B. So we're given the universal set, we know what A contains, and we're also given the union of A and B, the intersection of A and B, and from that we have to figure out what's contained in set B. All right, so let's draw our diagram. Here's the universal set. A and B are in there, and let's start putting things together. First question is, where do we start? All right, what we need to do is get the overlap figured out first, the intersection. So that's where we're going to start and put those in the intersection. So we've got those in the right place for sure. Then let's put in A and B. So we'll do A next. And when I look at A, 1, 3, 4, 5, and 10, the 3, 4, and 5 have already been put in there. So 1 and 10 are the only two that are in A, but not in the intersection. Okay, same with B. Well, we're not given B, are we? We need to find set B. So the next thing we got to look at is the union of A and B and see what's left over. So A and B together contains these 7 elements. Well, let's look. 1 is already contained in A. 3, 4, and 5 are in that intersection there. 7 hasn't shown up yet. Same with 9. 10 is already in A. So 7 and 9 are on the right side of A here, not part of the intersection, but in only the set B. Okay, now that could give us our answer, but let's get the whole diagram completed. So we need to know what's in the universal set then, and that's shown as being 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 up to 10. So what has not been accounted for yet? We've got 1, okay, we need a 2, 3, 4, 5, we need a 6, 7, we need an 8, we've got 9 and 10. So 2, 6, and 8 are the ones we haven't shown up yet, so we put those outside of A and B, but in the universal set yet. So now we just have to define set B, so that's going to contain the 7 and the 9, as well as the 3, 5, and the 4. So now we can write that in our roster notation as B equals 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9. All right.